If you're looking to replace a faulty button switch on your kitchen range hood or other household appliances, the Lovelysp range hood keyboard switch MQ165 is a practical and reliable option. Before diving into the details, remember that the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to check it out for the best deal. This range hood keyboard switch is crafted from hard plastic and metal, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Designed specifically for the MQ165 kitchen range hood model, it serves as an excellent replacement part that can bring your appliance back to full functionality. The switch features a 5-key design, including 3 interlock switches, 1 reset switch, and 1 lock switch, making it versatile and capable of handling multiple control functions. One of the standout benefits of this switch is its multi-purpose use. Beyond kitchen range hoods, it can be integrated into a variety of household appliances and electronic products such as lighting systems, toys, ovens, fans, hair dryers, and even some medical equipment. This flexibility makes it a valuable spare part to have on hand. On the downside, since it's designed primarily for the MQ165 model, compatibility with other range hood models or appliances may be limited, so double-checking your appliance model before purchasing is essential. Additionally, installation might require some technical know-how or professional assistance if you're not familiar with appliance repairs. In summary, the Lovelysp range hood keyboard switch MQ165 is a durable and functional replacement switch that can extend the life of your kitchen range hood and other appliances. Its robust build and multi-key design make it a smart choice for those needing an effective repair solution. Don't forget, the link to buy this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so make sure to grab it while the offer lasts.